everybody. I'm Crystal. I'm the daughter of Mrs. O from Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Barbecue Sweets. She wanted to switch it up a little bit, and I've been promising her I'll do a video. I really didn't want to because I'm very uncomfortable behind the camera, but so I'm going to do something really simple. We're just going to do a really nice nacho cheese dip. That's what I've been craving for the week. Great for sporting events, anything else that you want to do. So I already have everything out because this is going to be a very short video just to appease my mother. So I did a pound of Jimmy Dean original sausage. My mom doesn't eat red meat, so in order for everyone to be able to eat it, you know, you gotta improvise, but you can use turkey meat, anything else that you want. Be generous with your meat. I really hate nacho cheese dips that have like absolutely no meat. It's like, okay, that's weird. Are we on a budget? So other than that, I did a can of original Rotel. Also have my daughter here. I like spice, but she can't handle the spice. So again, another family meal, but you can make it however you want. I did half of a block of a 2 pound of Velveeta cheese, and then a half of, I don't even know what the measurement is, of cream cheese. Makes it a little bit creamier. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump all this in the crock pot, let it heat up, stir it. Yay, you got nachos. Okay, so here we go. Sausage goes in right there. Then I just go ahead, I cut them up in cubes. It just makes it easier, a little quicker to melt. Sorry, I talk fast, I know. I'm just trying to do the best I can. Little 4 cubes of cream cheese. I always like to keep the juice in with the Rotel because it does make the nacho cheese dip a little bit like more fluid. It's not so thick, so, but depends on how you like it. Pour it in, there we go. And as soon as it's melted, we'll have a plate for you to show you how you can put jalapenos, sour cream, whatever you want on it. And what?
How long in the crock pot?
Oh, until it's melted. How long in the crock pot? Till it's melted. That's how you know you have nacho cheese dip. All right, well, we will be back in probably about 20 minutes. I have it on high, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Hey, everybody, we're back. Here is the finished product. So see, it has lots of meat in there, so it's really good. To put on top, you can pretty much do whatever you want. If you want to do like fresh tomatoes, sour cream, jalapenos, anything, lettuce. I'm not a big fan of lettuce on my nachos, but here it is, something simple and sweet and really, really good. And of course I have to take a bite because my mom told me to. So I'm gonna choose one. Hopefully I'll get a small one so I don't end up choking on camera or anything. This is what I don't like eating on camera. But it's really, really good, of course. I made it. So thank you guys. I think I'm supposed to say, please share and subscribe. And I don't know what else, but I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. And thank you for watching.